I never thought making a peanut butter and jelly like this would be so good. So when you stuff the middle too much, I did notice that the ends will kind of break off when you squish it. It probably is from over squishing as well, but they are so good. They're the best peanut butter and jelly I have ever eaten in my life. And then the crust, we don't let anything go to waste. So up and coming, you're going to see what we do with the crust. So here you line up the points and then you just squish it together. I did notice also that the fresher the bread, the better. And once the bread's in the refrigerator, I also noticed that the ends won't squish as good. But here you can see where it cracked right on the side there. It's probably from me over squishing, maybe over stuffing. So it does seem that the less pressure I used, the better it was to keep those ends together and not without having them crack, letting them leak, let the inside seepage out somewhat. So you'll see here that it's actually worked much better by me just kind of squishing them with a steady pressure. Cast iron, butter, cinnamon, and sugar. Let's go. There was no way I wanted to waste these ends. So what better than putting cinnamon and sugar and butter and toasting those babies up? They are so good. All right, look at these. Ooh, they're so good. These are from the Uncrustables, the crust. No waste. Here we go.